my shoulder. When I kinda. Oh. Cause I let the
recording.
I didn't hit the rear brake, and I was already gone, and I didn't want to ruin my rear fender, so I tried to make the bike fall to the side. And when I did, I tried to brace my landing with my arm, and it got stretched behind me. I'm alright, it just hurts. Just pick my bike up. My fender's okay, right? I'm fine, it's just...
Your pipe, everything.
Huh?
Your pipe.
Because I stuck my arm out like that, and it just stretched me like that.
I just seen a rear tire come flying at me.
Oh.
Just got on it, I was like, no.
I know. Oh, that hurt.